Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can actually make or delete a Discord server from your list in here. So as you can see here, I have tons of servers that may be not really that good for me. Some of them I want to get out of them because they like send so many messages and they are pretty annoying. So how you can actually get out of these servers? Basically, if you want to get out of any kind of server, you just have to go to that server specifically. So for example, let's say this one, as you can see, and then you click right and leave server. So let's say for example you wanted to leave this server, so click right and leave server. Sometimes if you are the owner of a server, so let's create a new server. Let's create my own work our community for me and my friends. Let's create, and here it is. You don't have the option here to leave the server, as you can see. So there is no option of leaving the server. How you can leave that server? So basically you just have to go to your server first. Make sure that you are the owner of this server, or else you can leave basically very easy. Then you go to here, click on server settings, or here, and then basically what you have to do is deleting the server by going to the bottom option. So you click in here, and what you have to do is rewrite the server name. So lolly server, delete server, and here it is deleted. So yeah guys, so once again, if you want to leave any server, you can just click on leave. So here it is. But if you are the owner of a server and you wanted to leave that server, you have to give someone else the admin and then leave the server, or else you can just delete the server and you will leave it. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.